Hey everyone! In today's video, we're comparing two powerhouse laptops, the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 and the Asus ExpertBook P5. Wondering which one's worth your money in 2025? Stick around till the end to find out which laptop comes out on top. I've also included links to the latest prices and deals in the description, so don't miss that. And don't forget to like the video, it really helps me out. The Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 and Asus ExpertBook P5 take different approaches to design and build quality, catering to distinct user needs. The Galaxy Book5 Pro is a premium 2-in-1 convertible featuring an all-metal chassis with a sleek silver or gray finish. Its 360-degree hinge is sturdy, allowing seamless transitions between laptop, tablet, and tent modes, making it highly versatile. The laptop is relatively lightweight for a 16-inch convertible at 3.73 pounds, but it remains larger and more premium in feel. The AMOLED touchscreen, which supports the included S Pen, adds an extra layer of functionality for creatives and note-takers. In contrast, the ExpertBook P5 is a mid-range, thin and light business laptop designed for durability and practicality rather than flexibility. It has an aluminum chassis with a minimalist gray finish, though it includes some plastic elements, particularly around the display bezel. It is built to meet MIL spec durability standards, making it more rugged than the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. Weighing just under 3 pounds, it is significantly lighter than Samsung's convertible, making it a more portable option for business users who prioritize mobility. The hinge is a standard 180-degree design, allowing the screen to lay flat but not rotate like the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. When it comes to ports, both laptops offer a strong selection, though they are optimized for different users. The Galaxy Book5 Pro leans more into modern connectivity with two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, an HDMI 2.1a, a USB-A 3.2, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. While this covers most needs, professionals who rely on multiple USB-A accessories may find it slightly limiting. The ExpertBook P5, however, takes a more traditional approach with two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, HDMI 2.1, a Kensington lock, and a mic headphone combo jack. Notably, it lacks a micro SD card reader, which could be a downside for photographers or users who frequently transfer files from cameras. Both devices are well built, but the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 focuses on a sleek premium design with a flexible hinge and touchscreen capabilities, while the ExpertBook P5 prioritizes durability, lightweight construction, and a practical selection of ports suited for business users. Both laptops take different approaches to display, keyboard, and battery life, each catering to distinct user needs. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 stands out with its 16-inch 2880 by 1800 AMOLED touchscreen, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a 120Hz refresh rate that enhances smoothness, whether scrolling or using the included S Pen for creative work. Its anti-reflective coating improves outdoor visibility, making it a great option for those who work in varying lighting conditions. In contrast, the ExpertBook P5 opts for a 14-inch 2.5K IPS matte display with a 144Hz refresh rate. While it lacks the deep contrast of OLED, its matte finish reduces glare significantly, and it offers excellent sharpness and color accuracy within the 100% sRGB range. This makes it more suited for productivity-focused users who prioritize clarity and reduced eye strain over punchy visuals. When it comes to typing experience, the Galaxy Book5 Pro features a full-sized keyboard with a number pad, but key travel is on the shallow side, making extended typing sessions less satisfying. The trackpad is massive, smooth, and responsive, though slightly off-center. Meanwhile, the ExpertBook offers a quieter, deeper 1.5mm travel keyboard, which may feel more tactile and comfortable for prolonged use, though it can be a bit noisy. The touchpad is glass-made and well-sized, providing a responsive feel, but its clicks can be slightly stiff in the corners. Both laptops integrate Windows Hello biometrics, but the ExpertBook P5 includes an IR camera for facial recognition, while the Galaxy Book5 Pro relies on a fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button. Battery life is where the Galaxy Book5 Pro dominates. Powered by Intel's Lunar Lake platform, it delivers an astonishing 23.5-hour runtime in video playback tests, making it one of the longest-lasting premium 2-in-1s available. This makes it an ideal choice for users who prioritize endurance, whether for travel, work, or entertainment. The ExpertBook P5, with its 63 watt-hour battery, also provides solid longevity but falls short of Samsung's device, offering strong all-day performance but not reaching the ultra-long battery life category. Overall, while the Galaxy Book5 Pro excels with its immersive display and unmatched battery life, the ExpertBook P5 prioritizes a practical matte screen, a more tactile keyboard, and a balanced design for work-oriented users. Both powered by Intel's latest Lunar Lake processors, but their performance profiles cater to different users. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 features the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V, a chip designed with efficiency in mind, prioritizing battery life over raw performance. On the other hand, the ExpertBook P5 is built on the same Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, yet it balances power consumption differently, allowing for a slightly more sustained performance output under heavier loads. In everyday use, both devices handle productivity tasks smoothly, but the Samsung laptop tends to throttle under sustained multi-threaded workloads, while the ExpertBook P5, optimized for business use, maintains a steadier performance profile. When it comes to editing power, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 benefits from its stunning 16-inch AMOLED touchscreen, which provides rich colors and deep contrast, making it ideal for creative tasks like photo and light video editing. The included S Pen adds another layer of usability, particularly for digital artists. However, the laptop's weaker multi-threaded performance means it lags behind AMD Ryzen AI-powered competitors when dealing with heavy video rendering or batch processing. The ExpertBook P5, with its 2.5K matte IPS display, lacks the color vibrancy of the Samsung's AMOLED panel, but is better suited for professionals who prefer an anti-glare surface and more precise calibration. While it is not a workstation-grade machine, it performs well in lighter editing tasks thanks to its efficient Intel Arc 140V graphics, offering solid acceleration for AI-powered applications and general creative workloads. Gaming on both devices is largely dependent on the integrated Intel Arc 145V GPU, which is a step above previous Intel integrated graphics solutions, but still falls short of dedicated GPUs found in gaming laptops. The Galaxy Book5 Pro 360's larger display and high refresh rate make gaming visually immersive, but performance is limited, especially in modern 808 titles. Less demanding games and esports titles run smoothly at medium settings, but anything graphically intensive will struggle. The ExpertBook P5, though not marketed as a gaming laptop, offers a slightly more stable gaming experience due to better thermal management and power allocation. It still isn't ideal for hardcore gaming, but for casual gamers who need a work laptop with some gaming capability on the side, it holds up decently well. Overall, both laptops share the same underlying hardware, but the Samsung device leans more toward creative versatility and battery efficiency, while the Asus laptop maintains a more balanced approach for business and general-purpose users. So, which one should you buy in 2025? If you need a versatile all-day performer with stunning display and battery life, go for the Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. But if durability, portability, and practicality are your priorities, the Asus ExpertBook P5 wins.